Okay, so we will start alkylation today. So alkylation is reaction of amines with alkyl halide, which we already learned in the first chapter, halogen compounds. So still I will write one, okay? I will take an amine. One haloalkane, chloroethane I will take. So HCl will be eliminated and you will get, what is the name of this? What is the name of this compound? Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
N-ethyl methane nitrate.
huh? Who is this? Pankaj? This is a secondary amine. Now, what is you are not practicing at all? Secondary amine, N-alkyl ethanamine, isn't it? So it is N-methyl.
Ma'am, N-methyl ethanamine.
Ah, N-methyl ethanamine. Okay.
That is what Pankaj said, I guess.
Pankaj only, yeah. That is why after that he kept quiet. Pankaj is good in organic. Normally he doesn't say like that. Anyway. Acylation. Next one. This is you right. This is alkylation. Acylation. We will take an acid chloride, isn't it? What is an acid acylation? So how do you get an acid chloride? You will write an acid. Suppose it is ethanoic acid. So acid chloride OH will be replaced by chlorine, isn't it? So this is an example of an acyl chloride. So we will see how it reacts, same way only. So if it is this amine, CH3, CO, Cl, HCl will be eliminated and you will get a CH3, NH, CO, CH3, isn't it? So the name, for the name,
Ma'am, this representation is a bit not clear, ma'am. This part, CH3NH2, it got a bit confusing here. Can you explain this once again?
which part? HCl elimination.
No, ma'am, acylation, this reaction starting part, the products, no, sorry, the reactant.
Reactant is, I took an amine, our chapter is amine, na? So I took methanamine, CH3, NH2, okay? And
Yeah,
either acylation means I should take an acid chloride. So I took this acid chloride, CH3, CO, Cl, and HCl is eliminated, isn't it?
okay,
So
ma'am.
what is remaining? CH3, NH, CO, CH3. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. That
Ah.
representation above was not so clear, so I got confused.
Okay. Okay. And then now coming to the name. How to name?
Can you scroll? Now, what have you written there, ma'am? N-methyl ethanamine, ma'am.
Ah, yes. Methyl is not there. Okay. N-methyl. Okay. I'll write properly. Okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, written. Now coming to the name of this. Okay. So to name you should know this compound. So this is an amide, isn't it? When CONH group is there, it is an amide. Okay, so sorry. This compound. Can you name this compound?
Methanamide, ma'am.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am?
This compound,
Sorry, that ethanamide.
ethanamide. It is an amide.
Ma'am,
Ethanamide.
ethanamide.
Ah, yes. This carbon also we have to ethanamide. Okay. So here 1H of ethanamide is replaced by methyl group. So the name of this is N-methyl ethanamide. Got it? N-methyl ethanamide. Okay, children. So that is the name of this compound.
Ma'am, I didn't get it, ma'am, this one.
What a name you didn't understand?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Where you got a CH, where is that CH replace, CH3 group replacing the H, ma'am?
Here, H, 1H.
Okay, ma'am, got it now. Now got it.
Other way around, that's it. 1H of NH2 is replaced by CH3. I can write anyway, na? So I wrote like this. Okay. So this will happen with even aliphatic and aromatic primary and secondary amines. They react. Okay. So we will take another example of a secondary amine. This much you wrote? I'll take a secondary amine.
Yes, ma'am.
Secondary amine. NH. So it is a secondary amine. NHC2HI plus CH3 C double bond O Cl. So HCl will be eliminated. So the product will be C2H5N C2H5 CO CH3. So here, if two ethyl groups were not there, then it is CH3 CO NH2, right? It is ethanamide. Ethanamide. So two hydrogen atoms of ethanamide are replaced by ethyl group. So the name will come N, N diethyl
N, and diethyl ethanamide.
Ethanamide. Okay. So then we will, after writing this, we will write with aromatic amine, aniline. After finishing, tell me.
Done.
Now, aromatic amines. See, instead of acid chloride, you can use acid anhydride also. So in the book with aniline, they have given acid anhydride. Okay, so aromatic amine, aniline. This is aromatic amine, isn't it? Aniline. Aniline or benzamine, isn't it? Benzinamine. So this with, I will write anhydride. How to get anhydride? I already told you now. Suppose you want anhydride of acetic acid, you will write 2 times. If you don't remember the formula, you can write ethanoic acid or acetic acid 2 times. Remove water. you will get, what you are getting is acetic anhydride. There is a CH3CO group and another COCH3 group. This is acetic anhydride, or can write it like CH3CO twice O, isn't it? So this I am going to write acetic anhydride, CH3C double bond O, CO, CH3. Got it? And now here, there HCl was eliminated. Here ethanoic acid, acetic acid will be eliminated. So what is remaining? NH, CO, CH3, isn't it? So can you name it? Here nitrogen is connected to a phenyl group, isn't it? So N-phenyl ethanamide. So we learned with primary amine with acid chloride, secondary amine with acid chloride. Then we learned aromatic amine with acid anhydride. 3 we learned. Okay? Write it and tell me.
Done, ma'am.
So now last one is this is acyl chloride. Now benzoylation. Acylation is, we used acid chloride, isn't it? Acylation. Now if we use benzoyl chloride, it is benzoylation. That is the next topic, benzoylation. So I have to take a benzoyl chloride. So I will take, this is benzoic acid. You agree? OH is replaced by Cl, you will get a benzoyl chloride. So here we will use any amine, we will take a methanamine with benzoyl chloride. Here not acetic chloride, it is benzoyl chloride. So the name also changes. It is benzoylation. So here HCl will be eliminated and CH3, NH, C double bond O, C6H5. Okay, so what is this C6H5CO NH2 is benzamide. So now N of benzamide is one H is replaced by methyl group. So N-methyl benzamide. Clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What
Now,
is removed here, ma'am? C
what?
and H, how is it removed, ma'am? Only C and H?
I didn't understand the question.
No, ma'am. C and H you have removed here, no, ma'am.
Chlorine, no? This is benzoyl chloride. Here, chlorine only, that is.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Chlorine it is, isn't it?
Fine, ma'am. Then I understood, ma'am.
So, alkylation and acylation, all of you learn and write, then we will move to the next. You have to write now. Alkylation and acylation. Okay, write all the equations, then we will move to the next.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, CH3NH, C2H5, ma'am. That will be N-methyl ethane amide, no, ma'am? Okay, ma'am.
And one thing I didn't say that a base is required, okay? NaOH is required here. In presence of a base.
Ma'am, can you explain that N-phenyl ethanamide once again?
This one?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So here it is obtained from ethanamide. Na? See, I will write ethanamide structure. CH3, CO, NH2. This is ethanamide. One hydrogen of ethanamide is replaced by phenyl group, isn't it? So N is connected to phenyl group, isn't it? So N-phenyl ethanamide. Got it?
Okay, ma'am, fine.
And this acylation and alkylation, both in presence of a base, NaOH is required. One student is absent. Who is the student absent? Is it Bharti? Bharti, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm present.
Every day I am catching you. But who is absent? 24 only. Abhishek, Agnel, Ajay. Shashank? Is Shashank?
Varsha, ma'am.
Varsha. Huh? She was absent in other classes also? But was Varsha present? Okay, practice, children.
Done, ma'am, all.
Okay. Others also finish and tell me.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Three, two.
Ma'am, in the reactions, do we have to mention the base also? Ma'am, in textbook they have
Yes,
given a
base is there. I said no, base is there. In fact, the last one is a name reaction. Name is not given in the book. It is Schotten-Bowman reaction. Maybe for your competitive exams, this is an important reaction with benzoyl chloride. And NaOH is important. Okay, there is a name for this last one with benzoyl chloride. Okay, and so underline that base is required. Okay. All the other children, everybody learned?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute.
Done, ma'am.
Next one is a very important reaction, carbylamine reaction. Okay, carbylamine reaction. This reaction is used for, this will undergo, first point is only primary amines undergo this reaction. Only primary amines undergo this reaction. Okay, so this is characteristic of primary amines and this reaction. The reaction I will write with amine. I will take an amine CH3NH2. The reagents are chloroform and alkali, CH, Cl3 and KOH alkali. You will get isocyanide RNC. RCN is cyanide or nitrile. This is isocyanide KCl plus water. So 3 chlorine there, so 3. This is also a very important reaction. You can learn with the full. Normally children write the full with the balanced equation. That important it is. So 3 KOH. So this is the reaction. Okay, so you learn now primary amine, chloroform and alkali. You will get isocyanide. You see the compound I wrote RNC. Nitrile, you know that is R.
KOH.
KOH, yes. Okay, I should take time and write. Okay, so you understood the difference. This is isocyanide, isocyanide, and this is cyanide. CN is cyanide, or we say nitrile, isn't it? So both are two different compounds. In isocyanide, the R is connected to nitrogen. In cyanide, R is connected to carbon. Okay. So what is the specialty? This is having a very foul smell. So the test, this is a test for primary amine, and test also you have to vomit. There should be heating is there. Heat test is that you take the amine, add chloroform and KOH, vomit, and then smell. And this is a very, very foul smell. That smell is the characteristics of this reaction. And so that is carbylamine reaction. Only primary amines undergo this reaction, both aliphatic and aromatic primary amines. Okay, write the equation and learn. It is a very, very foul smell. So normally I don't do this experiment in the lab because we cannot, full day we will not be able to sit in the lab. That foul it is. So for you, you have to do one test for amines. So for I make you do dye test. Because of the smell, I don't do this reaction in the lab. Okay. So when you write this foul smell word, you have to write. So write the equation and learn. Hello. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, left.
Ma'am?
She left Isha.
Yes.
Someone give her a call. I think she might have not checked the WhatsApp yet.
I think she started another meet.
Yeah, I think we have to leave this and join that.